Let's talk about new pseudo random number generators. With Java 17, we got a new update for random number generation. A new interface type has been introduced with new methods. These methods are list method, find method, and new generator factories. Let us first understand the existing random number generator present in Java. So this is existing API in Java. It consists of four classes: random, thread local random, secure random, and splittable random. In this, the most common one is random class, which is from Java util package. Next is thread local random, which is used for multi-threaded system. Next is secure random for security sensitive context, and last is splittable random for parallel stream or fork join style computations. Now with Java 17 we got following new changes. Whole new API is based on random generator interface. This new API provides better overall design with new interface types and generator implementation. Our old API classes fit in this new design and we got new classes added in this. These classes are streamable interface, splittable generator interface, splittable random class, jumpable generator, leapable generator interface, and arbitrarily jumpable generator interface. After this, we also got some random generator factories also. In Java 17, this new API provides four specialized generator interfaces. First is splittable generator. It enables creating a new generator as a descendant of the current one. Next is jumpable generator. It allows jumping ahead a moderator number of draws. Next is leapable generator. It allows jumping ahead a large number of draws. Now we have arbitrarily jumpable generator. It adds jump distance to leapable generator. Few of the main goals of the new random generator API are to ensure that we can easily change between different algorithms, to enable better support for stream-based programming, to eliminate code duplication in existing classes, and last, to preserve existing behavior of the old random API. Let us see some code example for these new API. Let us see the example of random generation in Java. So this part of code, we can see it is our old API which is present before Java 17. So this is the random API. With Java 17, we have a random generator interface. So we can use this get default method to get a random generator. And we can also use any random generator factory, and we can use random generator dot off method to create a generator. So let's run this code and see the output. So the code is done and we can see the output here. Now after this, let's see example of random generator factory methods. So this code here will print all the factory names and their features. So let's run this code. So the code is done. See the output here. So these are the names and random generator names and their properties. So we can use these for our example. Next part of this code, we have this code. In this, we can find any random generator using its property and we can filter it out. So we already have seen the output for this method also. After that, let's see the multi-threaded example of a new random generator. So here we are creating a list of numbers and using executor service to create a thread pool. In this, I am creating a splittable generator object with the help of this factory. And in our multi-threaded code, we are adding random numbers in our numbers list, and then we are printing it. Let's see the output of this code also. So we can see random numbers have been added to our list. So this is the example of a random generator interface in Java 17. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please give your support to my channel. Please like, comment and click on subscribe button. Thank you.